If you're seeing AutoCAD error code 41000, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what it means, why it happens, and the best step-by-step fixes you can try to get your 3D model working again. This is a modeling operation error, and it usually appears when AutoCAD's 3D engine, called Autodesk Shapemanager, fails to calculate a Boolean operation like union, subtract, or intersect. In simple terms, AutoCAD is trying to do the math on your solids, but something in the geometry is confusing the engine. This kind of error is often caused by illegal geometry that the program cannot resolve properly. Two of the most common causes are non-manifold edges and coincident faces. A non-manifold edge happens when three or more faces meet at the same edge, which creates geometry that is impossible for the solver to process cleanly. Coincident faces happen when two surfaces sit on the exact same spatial coordinates, and that can create a loop in the calculation that AutoCAD cannot finish. The good news is that there are several practical ways to fix this. Before we get into the steps, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more AutoCAD tips, fixes, and walkthroughs. It really helps the channel grow, and it lets you know when new tutorials are published. Now let's start with the first fix, explode blocks. If your object is inside a block, group, or nested element, the Boolean operation may fail because the engine cannot properly analyze the geometry structure. Type explode in the command line, select the object, and press enter. If there are multiple nested blocks, you may need to repeat the process until the solid is fully broken down into editable geometry. Once everything is exploded, try the Boolean command again and see if the error is gone. Next, clean the body. This is one of the most useful steps when dealing with modeling errors. Type SOLIDEDIT, then choose body, and then select clean. This command helps remove redundant vertices and edges that create geometric noise in the model. Over time, especially with imported or heavily edited 3D objects, small imperfections can build up and confuse the shape engine. Cleaning the body can often restore stability and allow the operation to complete normally. If the error still appears, try the micro-move method. This is a very simple but surprisingly effective fix. Select one of the objects involved in the Boolean operation and move it by a tiny amount, such as 0.0001 units. The purpose of this is to break coincident faces, those surfaces that are perfectly overlapping and causing the engine to loop. Even the smallest offset can help AutoCAD detect a clear intersection between the solids. After moving the object slightly, try union, subtract, or intersect again. Another important step is to check the validity of the solid. Type SOLIDCHECK and set the value to 1. This tells AutoCAD to evaluate the object more carefully. Then use SOLIDEDIT, go to body and choose check. This will help identify whether the solid is mathematically corrupt. If the object is invalid, that means the geometry has deeper structural issues, and you may need to repair it before Boolean operations can work properly. Checking validity is especially helpful when your model came from another software program or was imported from external files. You should also simplify the geometry whenever possible. High detail features like complex fillets, tiny chamfers, and crowded curved surfaces can create problems for the 3D engine, especially when multiple solids need to merge or cut through one another. If your model is very detailed, try removing some of those features temporarily. Perform the Boolean operation, and then add the details back afterward if needed. In many cases, simplifying the shape gives the solver an easier path and prevents error 41000 from appearing. If you want the best chance of success, go through these fixes in order. Start by exploding blocks, then clean the body, then micro-move one object, then run the SOLIDCHECK, and finally simplify the geometry if the model is still failing. Usually one of these steps is enough to get past the modeling operation error. If the object is badly damaged, you may need to rebuild part of it from scratch, but in most cases, these methods solve the problem without too much trouble. So to recap, AutoCAD error code 41000 is usually caused by problematic 3D geometry, and the main fixes are exploding blocks, cleaning the body, making a tiny move to break coincident faces, checking solid validity, and simplifying complex geometry. These steps help AutoCAD's modeling engine process the Boolean operation correctly and reduce the chance of failure. If this video helped you fix the issue, please remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AutoCAD troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.